the lockdown happens, we need to make our presence felt more and more in every way. And we hope that the BSG will clarify its stand in unity with us. And we hope that the guest today, Dr. KP Mishra, who is the Vice President of the BSG, will enlighten us much more on this aspect. And he is also the Orissa State President for the Fellowship. Therefore, we know that he has the interest of the Fellowship at heart as well as the BSG partnership at heart. With these few words, welcome to everyone, and we hope we have a fruitful meeting today. Thank you all.
Respected Sri Kalpesh Javeri ji, Honorable former Chief Justice of Odisha High Court, respected Mr. Mac Mickey, the Executive President, respected all state secretaries and other office bearers, Dr. Amol and others. Namaskar. My all best wishes and congratulations for this virtual meet. I am delighted to attend this meeting. Thanks for inviting me. As a member of ISGF, we have accepted the honor and fundamentals of Scout Guide movement. I am glad to note that our fellowship members in almost all states are promoting youth programs, youth engagement in humanitarian action, and projects of sustainable development of goals. I try to follow their service in social media, their work for the society and community development activities, and active participation in Scout Guide gatherings. Early in March, Odisha State Bharat Scout Guides formed a Scout Brigade for COVID-19. Vice President of Odisha Indian Scout Guide Fellowship, Dr. Mahapatra, a very senior trained doctor, with our Rusi Bhatnaik, the State Secretary of ISGF, gave a very nice training to our COVID-19 brigade people. They went back to their districts and working now with a team of rovers and lockdown period. Indian Scout Guide Fellowship has a very glorious past for helping out people during flood, cyclone, or any type of disaster. Now also our fellowship members working in the society to face corona disaster, not only helping rovers, supporting them in activity, but also helping government and social service people like police, media, and health workers. I feel proud and thank all my fellowship members all over India who are working in this pandemic. Today, the secretaries meet will bring more feathers to Indian Scout Guide Fellowship.
It is really a proud moment for all of us. And I think our Scout principle will make us proud that whatever training we have taken during our lifetime in scouting is required to be implemented and executed in the right spirit of the scouting. And in my opinion, Bharat Scout and Guide and Indian ISGF working together can work and can have heavenly effect on Indian soil as well as anywhere in the part of the country or the world. Other thing, the secretaries are required to work at their level and implement the policy of the ISGF and the Bharat Scout and Guide in this right direction and in the same directions, so that we can achieve the goal for Bharat Scout and Guide as well as the ISGF. Thank you.
And first and foremost, could I welcome and congratulate Ms. Eiling Wang from the Scouts of China Evergreen Association. It was a wonderful presentation, sir. It was very informative, and we really welcome you with our open heart. We hope to see more of you, hear more of you in future. Apart from that, it was also very nice to hear about what the Indian SGF has done with regard to COVID-19, the various activities. COVID-19 has brought about many changes except one, and that is a good thing. That is the scouting spirit. The Indian SGF is, can I say, is exemplary in showing what they are doing during these difficult times, not letting the spirits down, and also connecting us to the Scouts of China Evergreen Association, which is in Taiwan. So happy to hear that organization and how active they are and their contribution to scouting. And I hope in the future we will, that is the Scouts and Guides Fellowship, will have the opportunity to work more with them. The Indian SGF is truly inspiring. Your work is simply wonderful. You are an example, and I will surely share this with the DP Guild in Malaysia. So thank you very much.
10th May, State Secretary's virtual meet is going on. Next, Sunday 28th June, online 14th National Gathering. Sunday 26th July 2020, virtual National Council meet. 12 September, 30th National Gathering. Friday 11th to 15th December 2020, 5th Adventure for Adult at Pillikula, Nisarga, Dhamma, Mangalaru will be hosted by Karnataka State SGF. January 2021, Building Bridges Beyond Borders Exchange Gathering at Dhaka, Bangladesh, coordinated by Bangladesh NSGF. 20th to 23rd Feb 2021, second All India Railway SGF gathering at Rajkot, hosted by Western Railway State SGF, and Friday 9th to 11th April 2021, 15th National Gathering, Alwar, Rajasthan, hosted by Rajasthan State SGF. To increase the membership by 5% annually at all levels, every district direct SGF will help Indian SGF National Headquarters to establish state SGF and more district SGF. Every established state SGF will form district SGF in all the civil revenue districts and with the assistance of Indian SGF National Headquarters if necessary. Every district SGF will promote Guild SGF in all blocks, talukas, panchayat with guidance of state SGF to attract and recruit fresh and adult members who are interested and want to serve and grow with Indian SGF. Resolve, Indian SGF resolved to publish annual reports from 2019 to 2020. We will give you in soft copies. We stop printing the same. इसके अलावा हम लोग यूथ अवार्ड्स और पार्टनरशिप गैदरिंग करने जा रहे हैं जो कि हम जून में करेंगे, जिसकी डेट्स अभी फिक्स नहीं है, वो हम जल्दी ही अपडेट कर देंगे. Thank you.
Right from the opening remarks by the Diana, we stand with the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Then, as per the KP Mishraji's inaugural address, Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship stand to serve. We are here to serve and smile. That is what KP Mishraji said. Thus, we totally accept the greetings conveyed by the Dr. KP Mishra for the well-wishing the Indian SGF and appreciating all our activities. He recollected the flood relief, what we did in Odisha. That's a great of KP Mishraji to just come with us. He is a president of the Odisha Fellowship. He is a life member. Then, as per the Justice Kalpesh ji, what he said is, if we walk together, the Bharat Scouts and Guides and the Fellowship, it is going to do miracles in India. The young Bharat Scouts and Guides member, the adults from the Indian Scout Guide Fellowship can create magical van in India. That is what Justice Kalpesh said. Then we had a SEMA giving a roadmap, the growth. My dear friends, आपके पास document है, उसको पढ़िएगा, सहयोग दीजिएगा. We have an event, आप देखिएगा, उसमें भागीदारी लीजिएगा. फिर संपत कोठारी ने एक बात कहा, IRF, बहुत से स्टेट्स बिकम केयरलेस इन पेइंग द IRF. प्लीज फॉलो अप, हर मार्च के पहले पहले आप IRF पेमेंट कर दीजिए और 3 लाइफ मेंबर, एक डोनर मेंबर नेशनल हेडक्वार्टर्स के लिए बनाइए. ये हमारे तरफ से निवेदन है. अभी सुरेश शुक्ला जी ने जो कहा, सत्यनारायण शर्मा जी को विथ अवर ग्रेटिट्यूड. व्हाट सुरेश शुक्ला जी, हमने उनको क्यों लाया? छत्तीसगढ़ इज वन ऑफ द स्टेट इन इंडिया हु आर डूइंग अमेजिंग जॉब फॉर द कोविड-19. जब दूसरा राउंड शुरू होगा, आपको बहुत से इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें मिलेंगी जो हमने डिसाइड किया, हमने डिक्लेयर करेंगे. कोविड-19 में छत्तीसगढ़ इज डूइंग अपलॉडेबल जॉब. कैन वी ऑल सल्यूट इन एक्शन? सब अपना अपना स्काउट साइन से सल्यूट करें. इंडियन स्काउट गाइड फेलोशिप, bow our heads to everyone who is fighting for the COVID, maybe the frontline workers, the doctors, the police, or whoever. Let us just show our all scout sign as a salutations to all the souls, to the workers, and all the victims. Can everybody show their scout sign just to say we stand to fight COVID-19 together? Thank you.